Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Baseus Encok W3 with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, input both earbuds inside the case, charge them for like 20 minutes with this micro USB port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to open this charging case, and you have to take a look for these indicators. Let me just show you. As you can see, it's blinking, the left one. That's the small indicator inside. The right one is not blinking, and it means that we are in the pairing mode. So put them close to your device, but do not close this cover. Go to the settings on your iOS device, go to the Bluetooth, then tap on the switcher, and from the devices you have to select your Baseus earbuds, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. There we are, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.